Okay, so first off, this video is gonna be all about one thing. You know what that thing is? That's right, it's an unboxing video. The Mynt3d Printing Pen, or also known as the 3D pen. I promise you it looks better than that, I promise. I have to get out of the box, but you get the idea. Anyway, let me show you what it looks like. This, my friend, is the 3D printing pen called Mynt3d Printing Pen. It comes with filaments. You literally take it out of the box and you draw whatever you want right on the spot. I mean, like full blown. I mean, think of it like I'm making a figurine. So basically, this is equivalent to making a figurine, but dude, I can make it right here, right now, on the spot. Almost like no prep. That's kind of awesome. Let's go and do it. Let's just open it up. So here's the unboxing portion. So I'm probably going to speed up a whole lot of this because it's an unboxing, but I'll still get my reactions. So see what happens, man. And now for the opening. Let's go, boys. Okay, as you see on the back, it gives you like an example of what I can do. So I can make like an outline of what I want to draw and then fill it in as I go. So yeah, it's straight up sculpting, but it's not that expensive. It's actually looks pretty cool. So it's all temperature control, right? I don't know if you can see that or not. Well, LED temperature display. So it's got like a little LED screen and it shows you temperature. So the higher the temperature, the faster I can go, or lower temperature, lower I can go, slower I have to go, but I can get more details in. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Want to try this? So we got. Oh my god. I'll check this out, Instruction manual. Alright, so the pen has a, I don't know if you can see this on the screen. It has a filament loading hole. The filament is this right here. This, I'll probably buy some more later. They're like they're super cheap though, so you know, I don't have to worry about that too much. I can easily get more. It's like not much. And yeah, I've been looking up a whole lot of videos lately about how to do this, and I'm pretty confident I can do this. Yeah, I just am. I'm confident. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna make one today, but I probably have to charge this thing or something. All right, so here it is. Home and true, boys and girls of all ages, he, she's, and thems. Check it out. Hold on. This is the pen. 3D pen. Woo. Guess I learned that. You fell out of bag. Got it. I got it. All right. Just looking at everything it has. Okay. Interesting. Oh no, there's tiny screws. Itty bitty screws. They're so tiny. So teeny tiny. There's a charger for it. Fair enough. So I'm definitely gonna do a review of this thing. See how it works. If I like it, I'm keeping this. I probably will keep it. But I want to be sure I really like it though. You know what I'm saying. Alright, so just so you can see me sitting here reading stuff. Features and controls your 3D printing pen. That's it right here. You probably can't read that, but if you can, cool. I'm just gonna read it out loud while I'm swishing around this pen. Go on. Operation instructions. Connect the AC adapter and USB power cable to a power outlet. Insert the plug to a power socket. Note, this 3D pen can be used with power banks that output at least 2 amps. 2. That's more than 1. Adjust temperature if desired and press the feed button and release. Keep an eye on the temperature display and wait for the pen to heat to temperature. So, see like a little example right there. I don't know if you can see that. With the, right here. Where it says ABS and Plas. That's the temperature it's supposed to be at, roughly. Which I got right here. So, this is going to be fun. Straighten the end of the filament if necessary. Insert it into the filament's loading hole. So the loading hole, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'll put it on the screen best I can. It's this little black dot right here. See that? A little black dot. That thing. Like slot. Like a dirty slot. Dirty slot. That's what I need. It's key to this. Key. Very key. Okay, so in order to open my nozzle here, I need that little screw that I just showed you earlier. This little thing, this little flimsy little tiny thing, this little thing that can be broken or lost easily. I keep this in a little baggie. I have to. So it means I gotta keep this box. I have to keep the box, so make sure everything is where it needs to be. I'm gonna keep everything in the box, because otherwise I'm gonna lose all of this shit. I don't want to lose this stuff. I really don't. Okay, so it's a lot of stuff here. Oh my god, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. They got little tips and say, go to Mynt3d.com for more tips. No crap. No crap. Okay, so it says here that it might be a little bit of smoke that might come out. That's normal. It's okay. All right, so a little smoke's okay. A little smoke's okay. It was like a lot of smoke. Uh-oh, turn that shit off. You got a fire, friend. I'm gonna make some fires with this. It's gonna be awesome. I'm not making fires. That's just don't do that, kids. Don't start fires. Please don't start fires. I'm gonna be so canceled. Anyway, I got a whole troubleshooting spot too for in case I completely screw this up. So I'll keep the guide nearby as a precaution, because just in case I screw this up. Let's open this thing. Hey, boy, hey, boy. Let's go. With the power of the rings, I will have all. Can I make a little ring sound effect? Keep Sonic on here. I might do that later. I just might. Let's give this a shot. Just a quick little example purposes, just to be sure I got it. I'm pretty sure I got it, but let's just be sure, you know? Let's just be sure. Actually, let me put something under this. I got something though. Actually, I might have to charge this thing. Okay, I might have to briefly stop this video so I can charge the 3D pen, because it is electronic. So give me a sec. I'm just gonna charge the sucker up, and then we're gonna see if we make a horrible mess or not. I'm hoping not. Nah. It's not that big. It really isn't. I know it looks huge on camera. It really isn't that big. It's like that, bro. I got the whole world in my hand. I got a 3D pen. Man, got a little zip tie bullshit. Look at this. Come on, bro. Bruh. I'm not making words anymore. We're saying bruh. Brotastic. All right. Push it through the filaments. The filament. Make sure I'm putting it in the right hole. Giggity. Says it's right there. All right. That's the power socket. All right. Here it is. It's going in, baby. It's going in. Now comes the part where I had just mentioned before. I have to charge this, so I'll pause the video just for a second, then I'll be right back. Wait. My 3D pen's is charging right now, so I'll see you in a bit. Hey y'all, so we're gonna try this out right now. Just a quick little example testing, whatever, just to kind of get the idea going. So let's make magic. Ooh, shit. Yo, tip is hot. Okay. All right. Stop fooling around. That tip is hot, boy. You got one hour. This jank angle. Why not? I'll fix it in post. Come on, look at the magic. Stop embarrassing me in front of my audience. Come on now. Bro, come on. Stop playing with me. This is so embarrassing, I'm so sorry. I'm trying here. Yep, that tip is hot. That is a real tip. Pressing the button, shit. What do you want? Really? Nothing? Bruh. Come on, ain't that hard. Hold on, I gotta restart this. So sorry, gang. Oh man. It's kinda raw! Yeah, I know why it's not working. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, look, it's about to start. I don't know if you can hear that or not. You hear it? Alright. Oh my god, it's hot as hell. Come on, create art, damn it. Don't make a fire hazard out of this. Is this thing jammed? Are you shitting me? It's jammed. This is trash. This is straight up trash. Are you for real? Wow. Just wow. It's amazing how bad this is. Amazing. Alright. So what do we do here, folks? What do we do here? Do I keep trying? Or do I say, nah, F that, we gonna take it back to the Amazon store and get something else? This thing is trash. I'm sorry. This thing is trash. It barely works. Like, I can hear it trying to work. I don't see nothing coming out. Nothing. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. Doesn't say. Ooh, shit. That thing is hot as fuck, though. I ain't touching that no more. I'll try one more time. Last try. If this don't work, we taking it back. I don't care. We just gonna take it back, get the money back. Say, call it a day. Call it even. Because I'm not about to pay all that money for that. It's cost $60. Seriously. I'm kind of mad. If you don't make art right now, well, hold on. It's doing something. Well, here we go. Art! And a jam. Alright, here we go. Making something. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. Give it a second. Come on, baby. Make art. Make art for me. Come on, make art. You were almost there. You were almost there, friend. What happened? Did it jam? Maybe I go slower. Okay, and that's it. This is what I managed to get through. Not kidding. You saw that live. I have to continuously hold this thing and it's hot as hell. Nah, that's it. We done. We done. Take it out. We done. Let it cool off. Okay. Well, what did we learn here today? What did we learn? We learned the value of money. You can return it because Amazon. I don't worry about that part. Thank God. Second thing. What the hell is this? You see this? That's it. That's all I managed to squeeze out of that thing. I'm not even kidding. You see that? Trash. Trash. This product's trash. Don't buy this. So, yeah, don't buy this. This is trash. Not this particular one. I'm gonna try to look up for other ones, but I'm gonna give it a little break for a while. I'm gonna give these a little break. I might come back. Maybe. If I get a nice little bump in my pay later, I might get another one. Try again. Just not this one in particular. Clearly, this is trash. This is trash. So, the Mynt3d, at least on my end, as you just saw me do this pretty much live, ain't worth it. Don't do it. Unless you're just gonna get this little piece of dookie. I'm not gonna eat it. So, yeah, that being said, please use my VIDIQ at the bottom. It'll give you a discount when you apply to VIDIQ and give you a nice little bonus as well for your YouTube channel or whatnot. And say you're trying to build a little better, this will help you out. I say at least give it a shot. It's not even that much. Just give it a shot. Go and try. But use my code right there. And remember, join us on Discord as well. Also, remember that you can always subscribe to the channel anytime you want to if this is really entertaining to you in some odd way. Was it entertaining for you? This is torture for me right here. Bingy, 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 bingy. That's the most I'm gonna have out of this. Oh well. It almost worked. Kinda. I'm glad it finally did. Was it worth it? No. Like I said, I'm gonna look up later on for any other ones that might be a little better than that because that's garbage. And it's hot. Ooh, shit. Woo! How do I fail 3D art printing? But, you know. And, oh yeah. By the way, join my Patreon or join the channel. But join my Patreon even better. You'll help out the channel a whole lot. If you love my ugly face or my ugly videos that actually are pretty, who knows? Maybe just like to torture yourself with my face on it. I don't know. But it's only costs $1 to start off, and you can choose whatever tier you want. Just read the tiers. That's all you gotta do. Also, I release my videos early now on Patreon for only $1. So, you know, might want to get on that. You might want to get on that. Just saying. Oh, also, I want to say thank you to my top patrons, Matt Savage, Severi, and Eli Bradford. Thank you so much. I love you. Also, I got a super thanks button at the bottom of the screen. That's a donation. It is provided by YouTube. It just, you know, just donate whatever you want. Just help out the channel a little bit. So it's a tip. Like when you tip your waiter. It's like, oh, thank you for entertainment, sir. I'll give you a little tip. There you go, buddy. That's for you, friend. That's for you. So like it. Also, get your comment highlighted too if you donate. So that'd be kind of fun. Why not? Just try. Let me know if you want to or not. Also have my websites. It's flowing on the screen right now, and I also have a merch store. It's on Redbubble. It's flowing on the screen right now as we speak. And don't forget to follow me on these social media links that are flowing on the screen right now. And I hope to see you the next time I make a video where I don't embarrass myself. Again. I probably will. So yeah, good luck. See you over there.